the Uttar Replica, to all the prospective buyers, the employees of Central Bank of India, to all the bidders for participating in this expo, and my friends from the media. A very good morning to all of you. I don't think I would have a problem in being anointed as the future Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, but I'm sure Chandrababu Naidu and Jagannath Reddy might have a problem with that. So that's one thing I was just telling our Honorable MP Garu. See, I've just realized one thing. This is an expo organized by CBI actually, if you think about it. Central Bank of India is CBI. So when CBI actually organizes an expo with all the builders, I think I'm sure that gives a lot of credence and credibility to all the prospective buyers as well. Jokes apart, I think this is a wonderful thing what Central Bank has done. You brought it one umbrella, one roof, under one roof, all the prospective buyers and all the banks, all the builders, so that the ease with which the transaction can be completed. Because as we all know, one of the big dreams, one of the big goals that every young man sets out for himself, every family has for itself, is buying a home of their own, having a house of their own. So in a vibrant metropolis like Hyderabad, our Chief Minister recently, as you all know, has announced a slew of measures while he was inaugurating Credai Property Expo. Last month, I think it was, end of last month. He announced a slew of measures which I'm sure will ensure that the property prices in Hyderabad, the property values in Hyderabad will surely go up very, very soon. So I urge all the home buyers and prospective home buyers here today to make your purchase now, today or tomorrow, because I'm quite confident that in 3 to 4 months from now, the property prices in Hyderabad are going to shoot up. The reason why I'm saying this is because I'm not just saying this to make the organizers here happy. The reason why I'm saying this with a lot of confidence is because Hyderabad today offers the best value proposition for as far as the property goes. If you look at it, any comparable city of Hyderabad size, take a look at Bangalore, take a look at Chennai, take a look at Pune, the property prices there are quite high. In fact, if you look at Bangalore hardly has 1/3 the infrastructure of what Hyderabad has. But the property prices there are twice what that is in Hyderabad. Similarly, Chennai has probably 1/2 the infrastructure of Hyderabad, twice the property prices are twice what we have in Hyderabad. So, if you look at the value proposition, the bigger bang for the buck, that is what Hyderabad today offers to the prospective home buyers. And I've been asking a lot of builders as well that have come to me in the last couple of months. I've been asking them questions, asking them how the industry is doing, and I've been hearing good things. The overall mood is good. The investor confidence in Hyderabad is back. If you look at it, the 2 big companies that have abandoned Hyderabad in the past and left. One was Tishman Spire. They had launched an ambition project in Tellapur, about 400 acres, called the Techno City, or I think it was called E-Techno City or something. They had abandoned it, they left, but now they're coming back. Similarly, the prestigious project that was launched by the Anil Ambani Group, the AEAG, in Manchirevula, even that has been revived. The Anil Ambani Group has already started a dialogue with the state government for restructure. So the investor confidence in Hyderabad is back. The value proposition is here. And the 3 things that were crippling the state, the 3 things that were crippling the real estate industry in Hyderabad have now been taken care of. Political stability, which was missing, is now here in Hyderabad and in Delhi as well. Decisive leadership that was missing back in the state of Andhra Pradesh is now here. You have a decisive leader in the form of our Chief Minister here, and also a Prime Minister in the form of Mr. Modi. The third thing is the global economic slowdown, which hurt all of us, which affected all of us, is now showing signs of improvement. So therefore, I'm very confident that in days to come, the next few months to come, the industry will definitely be not what it is today. The property prices will definitely shoot up. So I request all the prospective property buyers, those people who actually are wanting to buy their own home and fulfill their dream, I request you all to make the purchase now and immediately, because definitely going forward, the value proposition that there is today might not be available 3 or 4 months from now. So once again, I congratulate Central Bank of India and all the builders who are participating and all the prospective buyers as well who are visiting this expo. And thank you for inviting me, making me a part of it.